Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. I can't begin to tell you how spoiled I am now that I have this Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing machine. So I had a very bare bones Singer sewing machine. It was great, but it didn't do anything fancy. This thing does so many fancy things. It has been so much fun learning about all the different stitches you can do, and there's so many different presser feet that this particular model comes with I didn't even know existed. So let me give you a closer look and talk to you about, or show you some of the things that I think are awesome about this sewing machine. So the first thing I love about this machine is the start-stop button. It does come with a pedal if you prefer, but I just love using this start-stop button. It's been great. Easy toggle to slow or fasten your stitch speed. So I'll stop the machine now, do a couple of back stitches just with a few pushes of the back stitch button. And the best part, the cutting. It cuts the thread for you. Incredible! This machine is so smooth, it just makes your stitching look so effortless. Another great feature is all these pre-programmed specialty stitches. Really can make a lovely addition to whatever project you're working on. And the alphabet is great too, so you can personalize all your items. So one of the main reasons I upgraded my sewing machine was because I wanted to get into some embroidery and quilting. What's great about this sewing machine is that it comes with a large base here. So all you have to do is slide off the base, the regular base, and then slide in a new one. And just like that, you've got a huge nice base to work with for larger projects. And now I know I'm all ready to start quilting, and I'm so excited to quilt with my new Singer sewing machine 9960. And that's my point of view.